My name's Ricky Birmingham. I'm from the Detroit, Michigan area in the United States. And I've been playing drums for a little bit over 20 years now. I've had the pleasure and opportunity to play percussion in an orchestral setting, marching band, winter drum line, and drum set as well, in various genres and settings. I really recently started using the Collision Drumsticks. Right now I'm using the 5A Stealth Drumsticks. What I like about just Collision Drumsticks in general is the amount of life that you get out of each pair of drumsticks. Everybody knows over time drumsticks will lose their integrity, and I just feel like these drumsticks last that much longer than the competitors and the competition out there. What I really like about the Stealth 5A specifically is I like the tip and the taper. What I like to do on the drum set is I like to do a lot of intricate things on cymbals, on the bells of cymbals, and the taper on this drumstick really just helps me magnify and bring that out. One thing I just like about Collision in general is the quality of the product that Collision provides, with still the feel of a smaller company with excellent customer service. There's not many places out there that have a community like that. I really like what the company is doing and has been doing with having a inner community to share ideas and really just get better as drummers. Next, I'm just going to play a quick sample for you, just using some samples that I have on a pad to my left over here. I hope you enjoy it.